Most people struggle with three main issues. They lack self-confidence, they underestimate their value, and they don't fully own their power. Can you relate? I've sure been there. I have something for you. It's an adventure. It's an adventure that will help you find the solutions to these struggles, making you more confident, happy, and feeling worthwhile. It's a small group experience workshop held in two of the most sacred and powerful places on the planet. One location is Mount Shasta, California. The other is the beautiful island of Kauai, Hawaii. The adventure is called Release Your Shit and Reclaim Your Power, because that's exactly what we're going to do when you attend. To start your adventure, click the blue link below. It says, click here for registration. The dates and locations of the events are listed right below that link. Let me know which one you want to attend, and I'll get you registered and ready. Life does not have to be so hard. So let's release your shit, reclaim your power, and get you living the life you desire. The life you deserve.